Now I'm going to work on the rears. I got some Ambers LED light bulbs from these folk here. Should fit in here perfectly. Also, since I've got amber ones, I'm going to put these clears on now. All we need to do is get right up under there, get that screw out, and get that screw out, turn that sideways, and it'll pop right out. Okay. I don't know why we're so far out of focus here. Okay. Alright, so what we need to do now is just twist. That pops off. And twist, and that comes off. And I'm sorry this is out of focus. I don't understand what's going on with the phone, but anyway, push in, turn, out it comes. Push in, turn, and out it comes. Now, the magic moment. There's the new LEDs, and just push in, turn, and it's locked. And push it in and turn, and it's locked. There it is, rocking and rolling. Let's do a I'm doing this without the lenses on because I don't want any surprises. I hate surprises, but it looks good. Alright, I figured out my focus problem, guys, so I'll do it again. See it actually look decent. That is pretty bright. Can't see that. You shouldn't be allowed to drive. Now, last thing we need to do is put these on. These are new clear lenses. Now, the ones on the front, they were a bear to get on. They didn't just slide right in and fall into place. And I'm afraid that's what's going to happen here, so I won't be able to do this with one hand. And there's a finished product. Now, let me one last illustration of what we're working with here. Pretty bright. Let's go around front. Show what's up there. Nice. And there's running lights. So, one of the easier things that you'll have to do, well, what that you can do on your bike, if you're like me and actually like the stock turn signal assembly, I will say this: these new clear lenses are a bear to get in. Not the best fitting things in the world. With some elbow grease and maybe even some help, we'll get them in there. Hope you enjoyed it.